So what does it mean when you hear Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, or even Wi-Fi 7? Let's keep it simple. Those numbers refer to generations of Wi-Fi technology, kind of like newer models of phone. Each version brings improvements in speed, efficiency, and how well your network handles multiple devices at the same time. Now, Wi-Fi 5 is older technology. It was great in its time, but it really struggles to keep up with today's connected homes. Wi-Fi 6 is a big step forward. It's a solid option and handles multiple connected devices much better, offers improved performance, and it works out for most households. Wi-Fi 7 is the newest generation. It's faster, more responsive, and built for the way homes are using technology now and where they're going. And here's the key. Wi-Fi 7 is really becoming today's standard. Choosing the latest generation gives you a longer lifespan before you need to upgrade again. Whereas Wi-Fi 6, still a good option, but has already been out for a few years. So when we design a system, it's not just about what works today, it's about making sure your Wi-Fi investment stretches for years to come.